In this video, I will demonstrate how to block a number on the iPhone 15. Here I am using iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you can use any version of iPhone and the steps are same. When you block a contact on your iPhone, the blocked contact cannot call you or send you text messages. Your phone will not ring or vibrate when they call you, and their text messages will be silenced. The blocked contact cannot FaceTime you. You will not receive any notifications for their FaceTime calls. Blocking the contact prevents them from seeing your online status in iMessage and FaceTime. The contact will not be notified that you have blocked them. Open the phone app by clicking at bottom left corner. Then click on contact that you want to block. Scroll down and click on block this caller option as shown here. Then in the pop-up click on block contact option. Now to get this blocked list, go to settings. Next scroll down and click on phone app as shown here. Scroll down and select block contacts option. Here you will get that blocked list. Click on it to get the details. Come back and tab on the same row. Then click on minus icon. Next click on unblock button. Now that contact has been unblocked, you can click on add new to add any contact from your contact list to block. You can see now this contact has been blocked. You can do similar way to block and unblock in iPhone 15. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also press bell icon to never miss any update.